must draw on the right hand side. So you take a projection of this line in this view like this, parallel line, draw the parallel line to this, draw a parallel line to this. Now project this top view by taking because you are getting a true shape in the side view, that's why you are taking the angle of, you draw line which makes the angle of 45 degree. How much this total angle? This total angle is 90 degree. You take a angle of 45 degree from this O and draw an inclined line and project this horizontal line on this inclined line. Draw a parallel line to this, draw a parallel line to this, draw a parallel line to this. Now project, draw a parallel line to this line. So draw a vertical line, this is called as a vertical line, and a horizontal line. So now this is the, you are projecting the left hand side view. Now what type of portions you are observing in the side view? You are able to observe such type of figure in the side view, isn't it? So how much it is? So this will indicate 20, this must indicate 80, this must indicate how much? This is 10, and length, total length is 60. So if I draw inclined line at an angle of 45 degree, I am getting this particular all dimensions. If I draw with 60 degree or 75 degree or 80 degree, I am not able to get this true length, true dimensions. So you try at your home that if you are getting such type of dimensions. So what I am observing, this I am observing this particular point, this L is there, this is the L, and this I am also observing this up to this particular point, this line. Then this line is also I am able to visualize it. Then this line is also I am able to visualize. Then this line up to this line. So this, how much this will, if you are projecting this view at an angle of 45 degree, then this must be 10 millimeter. Otherwise, if you are projecting at 60 or 70, you are not getting this 10. So how much this is? This is 20. And this is the, make it dark. Make whatever you are observing in orthographic projection, make it dark. Make it dark. So how much height you are observing? 80 millimeter. You are observing 80 millimeter. This width you are observing 20 millimeter. This height you are observing 10 millimeter. So this is called as a orthographic projection, and this is your left hand side view. So what does it indicate? The height. You are observing height and you are observing width in left hand side view. So width and height, length and width, and length and height. So this is all about the orthographic projection. Okay. Thank you. Thanking you. Okay. Any queries? No query? Okay? No. Thank you.